Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a vegan blueberry milkshake with just 3 organic ingredients. This creamy, dreamy blueberry milkshake is so good, it's dairy-free, and it's the perfect summer treat. Let me show you guys how to make it. So this vegan blueberry milkshake starts with vanilla bean ice cream. I'm using Cosmic Bliss, which is my favorite vegan ice cream out there. It's so delicious. So you're gonna need about a cup of vegan vanilla ice cream, and we're gonna add this to the blender. Next, you're gonna need a cup of frozen blueberries. And I like to use frozen blueberries versus fresh blueberries for this, because the frozen blueberries are gonna make this milkshake extra thick, and I like my milkshakes really thick. But if you guys only have fresh blueberries, they totally work too. You might just wanna adjust the liquid a little bit if you're using fresh. And then last, we're gonna add in half a cup of coconut milk. If you guys wanna use almond or oat milk, that totally works too. I just like the coconut here because I love the flavor, and you all know I'm obsessed with coconut milk, so I use it for everything. And now we're just gonna blend this on high until it's smooth and creamy. Once your blueberry milkshake is completely blended, you guys can add some homemade blueberry syrup into your glass. Now this part is totally optional, but I always have my homemade blueberry syrup in the fridge for blueberry lattes, and we like to make our own Gatorade with it. So I'm adding it into this glass, and it's gonna give this blueberry milkshake just a little bit more blueberry flavor. And of course we had to add a little bit of fresh whipped cream on top. What is a milkshake without whipped cream? I'll link my vegan whipped cream recipe in the description for you guys. And then a couple fresh blueberries, and this is ready to enjoy. And this is the moment that you guys realize that this vegan blueberry milkshake is better than any ice cream shop. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy organic recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, so good. My favorite, I love this.